Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. Not too long ago, I made this video right here. That video had just surpassed 400,000 views. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how much I made from that video and also how I came to make others money just from that video alone as well. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so I can show you guys exactly how much I made and how I'm making others money as well. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 each. With those 2 free stocks, you could keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you could sell those 2 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. I used to be completely terrified of talking into a mic and talking to a camera. In fact, when I first started off this channel, I would not show my face at all, and I messed up on all of my audio recordings, all of my talking portions of the video, which is 90% of the video. So I'm so surprised that I came such a long way. So I was able to have, I would consider of it a small viral video. Anything over 100,000 views or anything more than what I'm used to getting is a viral video to me. But I'm not gonna waste you guys with all of the boring antics. Let's just go ahead and dive. I'm gonna show you guys how much other people think I made from 400,000 views, and now I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much I made for 400,000 views. All right, guys, so before I even started a YouTube channel, I used to use this website called Social Blade. It kind of shows you about how many views and how much money these subscribers should be making. So some subscribers that's in the same niche as me, let's take a look at Chris Sane. Here we go on Chris Sane page. He got 510 uploads, 438,000 subscribers. In the last 30 days, he had 5.2 million views, 5.269 million views. And Social Blade says that he's gonna earn anywhere from $1,300 to $21,000 this month. So it's really no clue on if he's making the $1,000 or the $21,000 or somewhere in the middle, or he can be making even less than $1,000 or even more than $21,000 a month in this video. Another person that's in finance is Andrew G. He has 233 uploads, 1.4 million subscribers, but he does have a less viewership than Chris Sane. He posts videos every single day. Andrew, he might post 2 or 3 a week, but he do have 4.9 million views over the last 30 days. And they say he's earning anywhere from $1.2 thousand to $19,000 in a month. So Social Blade is all over the place. In fact, you really don't know how much these YouTubers make until you start doing YouTube yourself. Let's see what Social Blade says I make. I have 377 uploads, 68,000 subscribers, and around 300,000 views over the last 30 days. I'm down 19%, and I can make anywhere from $76 to $1,200 a month, which is not bad. At the end, at the top part, $1,200 a month from making YouTube videos, something that I enjoy. That would be awesome. But I'm gonna show you guys if this is anywhere close in the ballpark on just one video that I made that somewhat went viral. Well, for me, it went viral. But usually I get around 8 to 20,000 views per video. On this one, I got 400,000 views. So once I'm gonna go over to my video analytics, not gonna hide the screen or anything. You guys are gonna just see it straight, exactly what I get. And there we go. This video has gotten over 440,000 views. The watch time, 48,000 hours. Wow, 48,000 hours. And I gained 16.2 thousand subscribers with an estimated revenue from just this one video alone, the video of my 6 streams of income for $10,000 a month. I made $12,128.46 to this day from this one video alone. So is Social Blade accurate? Not even close, guys. You guys won't know these real YouTubers amount about how much they make. Just imagine if I made this in one video $12,000, and they're saying I'm gonna make $1,200 this month. Just imagine how much Andrew Jeek and Chris Sane is making on their videos on 5 million views a month. So you know they're reckoning in a pretty large sum of money. So congratulations to those guys over there. They're awesome at what they do. But I brought in $12,000 from this one video alone. So we take a look at the last 90 days and we look at the revenue right here. Let's get off of that. The video came out, it was doing okay. Made $100 the first day it came out, and then started to pull back to $62, $24, $17. And I thought it was just a cool video letting you guys know. And then it kind of died off after the first 2 days. I'll make around $120 from me posting. I'll make around $220 from me posting that one video. Cool. I was gonna be very excited about it, but for some reason, about a week and a half later, YouTube decided to push my video out to a bunch of subscribers out there, and it shot it all the way up. So the first day after YouTube started to pick it up, February 4th, $107. Next day, I made $191. This is in a single day, guys. $227, $258, all the way up to the all-time high to where I was making around $444 a day, $444.75 a day, guys. So that's February 10th. Maybe people were trying to find out how to have some extra income right before Valentine's Day, because 90% of my subscribers are males, and Valentine's Day is where you kind of got to spend a lot of money. So we was probably looking for ways to save and make money instead of spending money all the time, or find ways to buy Valentine gifts and dates and stuff like that. So maybe that's why YouTube had picked it up and pushed it out, but then it kind of died off again, and then it started to revamp up not too long ago, giving me more subscribers. So if we take a look at the views is going to look just like the revenue chart. So the most views I had got in a single day was 23,120 views in a single day. So just giving it to you straight, guys. This was one of the best videos I've ever made. When I first put it out, the YouTube guys didn't like me at all, and about a week later, the YouTube guys picked it up and pushed it out to the masses. So you never know what video on YouTube is really gonna pop. You just gotta just enjoy creating content, and hopefully you find the algorithm, you find the way to where YouTube finally pushes out your videos to where you can make a lot of money from it. And this is how I know that YouTube pushed it out to a lot of people in the recommendation chart. Is because 94% of the watchers was from people that were not subscribed. So if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. It'll help me out, and I promise I put information on my channel that's gonna help you make money. And also, talking about helping you make money, let's close this right quick. And also talking about you making money, in that $10,000 a month video, on there I had posted a link to my Patreon, signing up for my Patreon and entering the Discord over there. We hold contests to where I was able, one of my streams of income was affiliate links, and I was making around like $3,000 to $4,000 a month from leaving affiliate links underneath my YouTube videos. And by joining the Patreon, once a month, I'll select a Patreon member and put one of their affiliate links underneath one of my YouTube videos for that month. And I've been signing up people for the last 2 months. And one of my subscribers, and one of the Patreon members, I posted his link underneath just a regular video. I think the video maybe got like 6,000, maybe 7,000 views, something that didn't blow up, because I don't know what video is gonna blow up or not. So I posted his under that one before as soon as it went live. His link is under that video. He left his Webull account, which is what I was talking about in the beginning of the video. It's a brokerage account for buying stocks. Just by me posting his link in the description, he had like 16 people sign up, 17 people sign up. He got a whole bunch of free stocks. I think the Patreon membership is just $12, but he made that times 10. I'm gonna leave our conversation right here. This was from a while ago. I'm pretty sure he got more people to sign up. His link is gonna be there for life, guys. It's gonna be there forever. So he's probably gonna get people to sign up for the rest of his life. And then once people sign up, he's gonna continue to get free money. That's how I was able to help out the people that support me. I like to give back to them and try to find a way to support them by leaving their links underneath my video. So if you guys want to give that a shot, I'm gonna leave my Patreon link down in the comment section. You sign up for that, join the Discord. Over there, we're talking about stocks and investing over there. Stocks, investing, cryptocurrency, and sometimes real estate. We'll talk about that over there. So if you guys are interested in learning more about that, you can click, or if you just want a chance to leave your affiliate link, you can click the link down in the comment section. That will take you to my Patreon. But yeah, guys, to wrap up this video, who would have ever known that I would make $12,000 from one video alone? That's a lot of videos that I would have to shoot in order to make $12,000. That's a lot of videos I would have to shoot because I make nowhere near that much. So hopefully I'll find the algorithm pretty soon to where I'm able to consistently put out videos that's gonna reach over 50,000 views. Because it's not really about your subscriber count, it's really about content. So I have to find great content that people are willing to watch, sit down and watch the entire video. But other than that, guys, if you like what you're seeing, go on ahead and hit the thumbs up button. That helps out this channel more than you could even imagine. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.